queens, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl Aneke here on Aneke Budgets, and on here we do cash stuff and budget and pin off other and minor business, but not necessarily in them for orders. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead, like the video, subscribe, you know, turn your notification bells on, leave a comment, share with a family, friend, or foe, anybody that you know, ho baby, okay? But as you guys can see, now we're gonna go over my expenses that I spent for this week. Child, please don't be a judger, because okay, if you're judging me, I'm just going to have to take it and just be done with it. But yeah, no show no tea. Girl, what you doing with all this money? Let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so per usual, I've zoomed y'all into my business because we love to have you here, okay? And the last charge was $12.14 for the Christmas challenge. So I took money out of that to pay off that child. So boom, 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 okay? And like I said, December is done for it, okay? It really is. Because, listen, let me tell y'all the real reason. One, I'm kind of freely spending. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Since my house got sold and I got no responsibilities, I've been kind of freely spending, which is not a great thing. It's not a good thing. The second thing is I'm buying also my dad's birthday gift. I already bought him his Christmas gift, but I'm also buying his birthday gift, which so happens to be January 6th. So it's right after Christmas, y'all. So yeah, that happened. Then my best friend's birthday is January 18th. Okay, so you know, the stutter is there. That's basically what I'm saying. Yeah, you know, and that happened. So I'm buying those two things, and then I'm just buying all the little knickknacks, because once 2025 starts, like, I'm donezo. Like, I think I'm gonna buy like 1 or 2 more things off of Etsy, and then, like, you know, we locking it up. And we focus on the goals that we have. Like, if you haven't seen my 2025 goals, then go ahead and check it out. Maybe I'll leave an eye in the sky, or it'll be at the end of this video, one of them. But it's definitely in the Vlogmas playlist, so you guys can go ahead and watch those. But yeah, I'm gonna be locked in starting January. But for now, like, in and out the year, I'm like buying all the little knickknacks that I wanted, and I also got my family to help buy some of them, so I won't be, you know, using a lot of my money. But for now, I am spending a little bit, you know, freely. It's, you know, it's yeah. I did buy a whole bunch of stuff at Latte Mall. Some of them things I did need, though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Some of them things I didn't need now, and then some of them I was like, they was cute. Oh, that was cute. I did buy some, what did I buy? You know, when you buy so much stuff, I bought me some new sticky pads, bought me some new highlighters. Didn't need those, but they were like 78 cents. That's a problem. Okay, so it's on here. It's called Daiso. It's 78. Everything can either be 1,000 wands, 2,000 wands, 3,000 wands, 5,000 wands. I think they go from $1 to $5. That's the majority of their stuff, right? And maybe 1,000 wands for me, and for USD it's like $78. 78 cents. I mean, they be getting me every time. I was big balling. I was big balling, and so they got me. But baby, okay, let's start talking about the video, since I have to give y'all a little update of what's going on with the money, what's happening. If you don't see a category over here, that means I didn't take the money from that category. This is a free spending situation. So again, yeah. So let's start with 12.16, because 12.14 was the last one. So 12.16, I paid for ChatGPT. I do have ChatGPT, as well as I did a YouTube super chat, and that came up to a total of $32.08. I did the super chat for one of the dude that I follow for finances. He's been such a great mentor, online mentor, and inspiration and everything. I don't usually super chat that often, so whenever I do, it's like very intentional, because, you know, if you've ever super chat, each character brings up the price. So yeah, that happened. But I did super chat him, and I do have ChatGPT, so that's that. Next is the fruit market, and so I did use groceries to pay for the fruit market, and that was $22 because I didn't, you know, spend, which I think I'm overspending on the fruit market because it's every Tuesday. Matter of fact, it's Tuesday here in Korea. recording this, and it is Friday, so the fruit market might be open, and I do have to go to the grocery store because they are closed on Christmas Day, and your girl won't have no food. I will not be hungry, so I need to, get a shower, get, whoop whoop whoop, and go outside. But that's that. Next is from the commissary. I got food, I got groceries. So from there, groceries I spent at the commissary was $54, and that also came out of groceries. So yes, I do buy fruit Korean, and I do buy groceries American. So yeah, the natural food I usually buy, I try to buy Korean, and then everything else I buy American. That sounds bad. So natural food you're Korean, and then the processed food is American. That's literally what it says. It sounded like, my bad, y'all, my bad. But call a spade a spade. Okay. All right. So next is Adobe. It's just healthier. It just doesn't have as much as the things they put in the food. Like, I feel so much like lighter since I've lived over here. So yeah. Adobe, I spent $32.09. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I did not expect that to happen. I was not tracking that. I know, like, I turned it on, but I thought I like canceled, and I believe I did go ahead and cancel that subscription because I was like, I don't need all this. I'm gonna cancel that. So I have canceled it for the upcoming month, child. But yes, they got me. They got me. So did Netflix. So my mama paid for Netflix, but I transferred over with my credit card because I think hers was like frozen or something. Oh, y'all, she had a little like scammer with her card, and so she had to change it up. And I was like, okay, so the Netflix wasn't charging to her card, and so now Netflix charging to my card, which, I'm her child. I don't see why I gotta be paying for this, but I was like, it's cool. And me and my cousin in Jamaica and my aunt in Jamaica, they use the Netflix. So yeah, I'm paying for households that I ain't even living, child. But whatever. They got it, So I do pay Netflix now. I'm gonna see if my mama gonna take it back. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna see if she gonna take it back. But if not, then I'll pay it. Commissary for groceries again. I did spend $1. I bought me a little snacky snack, a little candy bar. So I bought me $1. Allowance. I don't know why that's under groceries for this commissary for $1, but I'm gonna let it slide. It's supposed to be under allowance. Yeah, I'll correct that in a second. Okay, the Lauren Club, I went there. It was Wing Wednesday, and I got me some wings. So I paid $7.50 for that, and that came out of my allowance. Book coins, baby. Okay, I spent $32.09 on book. Yeah, she was a little expensive broad. She is, and I'll be spending her. So yeah, that way too much, way too damn how much. So $32.09 for my book coins, and then base exchange I spent $9.25. I bought some leggings, but I actually bought some extra large, I think, or large. No, I think I wanted large, but they only had extra large or 2XL, and I'm just a regular large, which I'm trying to get down to a medium. Okay, say what you want, but that's what I want. So I do have to return this $9.25. I don't need it. I didn't even wear it when I was supposed to, which was the plan of when I was wearing it, when I was supposed to wear it. So yeah, $9.25 for that. But like I said, when I go and if the fruit guy's there, obviously I'm gonna buy fruit, and then also I'm gonna return this to the exchange, so I should be getting that back. My bus ticket, I did have to pay $5. It's like $5, and they take you to different places. It's the weekend that they have available for that, so I'm using this bus ticket for $5 to do that. And this every month is $5, and you get to rent it for the whole month. I just haven't paid for it or used that bus in a long time, so yeah. Then the community center, I went out on Saturday, and I had to eat something because I had to eat breakfast. So I went to the community center that they have here on Bays, and I bought me a sweet potato fries appetizer, child. I did not know they had so much, but it kept me all day. I didn't have to eat out when I got there, but I did have to come back and eat, and that's the Subway that you guys see down here. So all day I had a water. I had speaking of which, the water ain't on here, so I have to add that. But I think the water was $1 too. So I bought a water, I bought fries, the appetizer fries, and then like I said, that lasts me all day because fries are filling. But yeah, Then for Latte Mall, I spent $19.77 because, baby, when I tell you outside was doing the most, so I bought gloves there, and I bought a little earmuff, and baby, those came up to $19.77. I said, why? Now they did have the cheaper ones, but those were the specific ones that I like, and they are super cute. Hold on, let me show y'all, because it's right over in the corner, child. So these are the earmuffs, which are just the basic ones. But baby, when I tell you that wind was winding, it wasn't even that cold. You could wear a jacket and still be fine. You know, maybe 2 layered up, but you know that. But these are the gloves, and I love them, and they snap together, and they're so cute. Look at them. Yeah, I like them. So yeah, and I especially love the inside hair. And then I did not know that this is what you use to like scroll on your phone, but I learned it the other day, and I was like, oh, and it worked, y'all. It do. So yeah, but that's what I bought, and that was a $19.77, child. Then I went to Daiso, right, which is like a dollar store on CRACK. And I spent so much money. So I spent 61,000 wons, and I didn't write that on here because it's not USD, but I did have that Korean money, and I did spend that 60,000 won out of the Korean money that I have, because I never be going out there. I always use my credit card, because majority of the time I'm not bringing wons. It's just for, what do you call it, safety purposes, you could say. So that's that. But yeah, but I did. So first of all, I went to okay, so I take the bus, right, my $5, and then the bus brings you to like 7 stops. Once you get, so the stop I get off of is like where the big mall is, where everybody gets off. And so I get off at the mall, and then it's like a shopping area all around. It's different shops, it's different, they're really big on cafes here. So there's different cafes, there's different, you know, bakeries and all things. It's real cute, real, you know, everything. So Daiso is also like, you know, the top tier like shop to go to when you need like little knickknacks, little cute stuff, but you know you want them for cheap. The same thing that you can get at Amazon for $15, you can get there for 2,000 wons, which is like $1.98. Girl, please put me in Daiso. I saw a keyboard, I was the LED keyboard that they be selling online for $16, $17, and that was for 5,000 wons. You know what that is? $3.83 in Korean. I don't even know if that's the correct conversion, but baby, that's what it seems like. And you overpaying there on Amazon. I'm not saying it's right. I'm just saying it is what it is, you know? So I was looking for a Daiso, right? And I was like, oh my god, I can't find a Daiso. I found an Olive Young, which over here is like a Sephora. And I was like, okay, I don't see a Daiso in the vicinity around me, so I'm gonna look for a Daiso that I can go to. Y'all, I walked for like 25-30 minutes to get to a Daiso, to get to a different Daiso location. And I'm not gonna lie, when I walked in that Daiso location, there wasn't a lot of people in there, because where I was really crowded, and it was really quiet, and it was a great like shopping experience because you didn't have the hustle and bustle of everybody in the store, and that was great. But tell me why I'm walking back towards the main shopping mall, because I just knew I was going to take a taxi. I'm walking back to the shopping mall, and I see a Daiso right across from the mall where I was originally at, and I walked from to the second Daiso location. I said, you know what? All right. So, you know, there we go. There we go. So I walked all the way to this Daiso, all the way to the first Daiso. I spent 61,000 wons. And so no USD, so nothing on my credit card. And then I came back, saw the second Daiso, and I was like, I gotta make, you know, these stuff for my best friend and for my mom and my aunt and my dad, because his birthday's coming up too. But child, yeah. So I went to ship some stuff to my aunt today. First of all, you know, they don't like, first of all, so they're not shipping to Canada. And then second of all, you know, my I had to ship it to my mama, and it was like 6 to 8 weeks. I said 6 to 8 weeks for what? What are y'all doing? Building the boat? Child, it was long as hell. But I was like, that's what they got, because they said they got to go through customs, and that takes 2 weeks. So I was like, what y'all searching for? I know y'all ain't searching. I said, baby, please. But it is what it is. So anyways, originally I went to Daiso, and when I was walking out, I spent $9.71, which is great for the stuff I got there. That was a great job. $9.71. Then I went over to the Olive Young, and this is where, because like I said, it's like a Sephora. This is where I was really, you know, stepping up my game, because I wanted to, like I said, buy some stuff for my family. And yeah, I did spend a cute little penny there, but I did get a lot of stuff. I got four, 5, 6, 7. I got 7 stuff for the $103. And if you've been to a Sephora, you know 7 stuff for $103 is really good, y'all. Okay. Then I had to go back to the Daiso because then I thought of some other gifts that I thought would be really great, you know. And that was for $5.55. And I'm telling you, these are the products that you would buy, and you would buy at an Ulta, you'd buy at a Sephora, baby. But they were there for the cheap. I'm just saying, all right. This is gonna sound bad, but Made in China only got a short way to go, so that you don't got to spend that much. I'm just saying, it is what it is. So yeah, that Daiso I spent $5.55, and then the end of the night, y'all. Bear in mind, at this point, I've been up for like, I don't know, 14, 15, you know, 16 hours or whatever. I've been up for a good little hot minute now. And so your girl was hungry. She was ready to sleep. She was ready to go to bed. And so I got Subway. And Subway was $14.19. And that, y'all, is how I ended the night and the week for my spending. So, yeah, you know, your girl out here for the week. Damn. You know, looking at the paper and seeing all the numbers and all the things, like you are realizing how much you were spending. Yeah, I'm gonna have to calm this down. I'm gonna have to calm this down, you know, in the new year, because this ain't gonna work, big dog. This is not gonna work at all. So yeah, I'm gonna calm this down in the beginning of December. But yeah, child, that was all of the expense tracking that I did, and a whole lot of, but you know what, it was great. It was great, and is. So yeah. Oh, we need to calculate how much, child. We need to calculate how much I spent this week. Don't I need you? Y'all, I told you December's cooked. Like, don't ask for nothing, because I ain't got it. I'm just playing, y'all. So 32.08 plus 22 plus 54 plus 32.09 plus 24.60 plus 1 plus $7.50 plus 32.09 plus 9.25 $24.60, $7.50, 32.09, 9.25 plus $5 plus $5.25 plus $19.77 plus $9.71 plus 103.67 plus $5.55 plus $14.19, and that is $377.75. That is how much your girl spent this week, which is a whole damn lot if you ask me. Okay, but like I said, I'm doing the planning for, what is it? I'm planning for birthdays and stuff, and the shipping costs. Yeah, shipping's a little expensive now, but I'm planning for shipping costs as well. So yeah, all that's happening. But yeah, guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. We will zoom back out, child. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. You learned a little bit about how my week went, how my shopping and adventures went. And yeah, that's all I got, because I ain't got nothing else, you feel me? So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, thumbs up, subscribe, turn your notification bell on, share this with a family, friend, and foe. I did post my paycheck closeout, and y'all, today is the 23rd day of my 25 days of Christmas. Y'all, it's almost over, and I can't believe I'm doing it. That is crazy. I'm doing it. So we're almost done with these 25 days of Christmas. I post a video every single day for 25 days. That is amazing. That is amazing to me. So yeah, y'all, I will talk to y'all later. My paycheck closeout is on the screen right now, or my 2025 goals, you know, one of them. So go ahead and check out the video that you see on the screen right now. My name's Aneke, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't mine.